Hello, I'm Kelsey Brennan-Wessels, and this is day 2 of ESA at the Paris Air and Space Show. The main event on Tuesday morning gave us a peek into the future of the agency and the many missions it has planned to push the limits of science and technology. Collaboration is key to innovation, and the Paris Air and Space Show offers the opportunity to strengthen partnerships to advance space activities, such as the contract with ELV for an upgrade to the Vega C launcher system.
We signed with ELV a contract for small spacecraft on Vega, which allows us to put small, nice satellites in orbit with Vega from 2018 onwards. And from 2019 onwards, it will be done with Vega C, the bigger sister. And we are happy to get this new opportunity for universities, for commercial operators, and whoever wants to fly.
Also on Tuesday, representatives from ESA and the Belgian company Space Application Systems signed an agreement that will enable anyone to send their payloads and materials to the International Space Station for research in weightlessness.
This is like CubeSats but inside the space station, and rather than having to provide your own power and communications and data relay, that's all provided by the unit, the system that will be installed aboard the Columbus lab the end of next year. So then all that needs to happen is the user pays a fixed fee to get aboard the space station. They bring their cube-sized payload or multiples of cubes, and off they go for up to 4 months at a time to do their science, to do their technology, or maybe it's an education experiment involving schools.
The Ice Cubes is just one part of ESA's new European Exploration Envelope program. The exploration program focuses on missions to low Earth orbit, like the International Space Station, as well as missions to the Moon and to Mars.
We'll continue to operate and work aboard the International Space Station, several more astronaut missions, but also a really exciting program of scientific experiments, payloads large and small, going for the next few years. We're well underway building the first service module for Orion. That's NASA's new deep space human exploration vehicle. The very first one is under assembly right now, will fly in 2019, and we're now placed the contract for the second service module, and this will carry astronauts on deep space exploration around the Moon for the first time since the days of Apollo. So that's going to be really exciting. Meanwhile, we carry on with ExoMars. ExoMars 2016 is in orbit around Mars, bringing itself down to its science orbit. It will start next year doing the great science. And we're building ExoMars 2020, the rover mission that will reach the red planet in 2021. And the new element is we'll start work very soon on the Lunar Resource Lander, which is a Russian-led project where we'll be providing from Europe, from the European industry, both the precision landing system to get us down to the exciting places near the South Pole of the Moon to search for water, and we'll be providing a drill and an instrument to taste the water if we succeed in finding it. So it's a really exciting prospect.
The French Minister for Higher Education, Research and Innovation, Frédéric Vidal, paid a visit to the ESA pavilion, as well as the Deputy Prime Minister of Luxembourg, Etienne Schneider. ESA and the Deputy Prime Minister signed a joint statement to further the study of asteroid missions and related technologies. On the sidelines of the Paris Air and Space Show, we caught up with the president of the French Space Agency, Jean-Yves Le Gall, who will take the position as chair of the ESA Council next month.
We have very, very exciting challenges in front of us. The next 2 years are going to be tremendous in terms of challenges, because we have the preparation of the ministerial of 2019 to continue all what is ongoing, and the years to come are going to be probably the most exciting in the history of ESA.
Well, that's all for today, but keep an eye on our website for all the latest, or join in the conversation by using the hashtag on the screen. Have a good day.